Let me know if you see my screen also, okay, brother? I'm just sharing my screen. Where
Yeah.
is
Okay.
okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just so, brother, I want you to understand something which is very important, okay?
Okay.
Like remember when I says when people says like price action, but to my understanding, price action has a different meaning, okay?
Okay.
So when I
Okay.
says like I'm in a monthly chart right now, okay? I'm in a monthly chart. So
Okay.
if you look at here from the beginning of my chart, which is like 1st September 2022, 2020, and this is the last month of the recent month, which is March 25. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Okay.
everything from the beginning to here, whatever you see is, I personally I believe there are two color in the chart, two color. One is green, one is red. Okay, if you look at this chart clearly, you only see two color. There is no different color in my chart. Okay,
Yeah.
so
Yes, sir.
so if you look at this also, like the red one, if you're looking at here, this is the one that is representing sell candle, right? That is representing sell candle. And the green one, if you're seeing here, this one is representing then what candle? Bu-
Buying candle.
Buy candle. So ultimately what I am saying that I have, and in my point of view, there are only two color in my chart, and these two color representing two different things. One is buy, one is sell. So
Yeah. Yeah.
so also I believe like everything you see in the chart is a combination. Okay, so when I says combination, so combination of what? Combination of two different color or two different color. Whenever I says two different color, that means there will be buy color and the sell color or the buy color, right? So
Yes.
everything in the chart for me is a combination of two different color. Okay, so
Yes.
how this combination created, that's the second part to understand how this combination created. Because like let's say this is a candle. Okay, this is a candle. Now
Okay.
you may not know is it a buy candle or sell candle. You don't know yet because of
Yeah.
because of
No.
we do not even have identified how it started, like where it started. So
Yeah.
if we give it a color, so let's say I'm giving it this color. So now this color representing you something. That means you now, like previously I asked you, what is this candle, buy or sell? You says no, we do not know yet. Now based on the color, what it would be? It is a buy or sell candle.
This is red color. Obviously, sell candle.
Sell candle, right? So now how we know? Because of the previous word, like two color, red represent as a sell. If the chart, if you look at my chart, if I says the red representing a buy color for me, then you would have said like yes, it is a buy color, because in the real chart red is representing as a buy, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now as of the red is representing sell, so I say this is the sell color. So if you look at here, in a this is the opening and this is the closing of this candle, right? This is the
Yes,
closing
sir.
of this candle. I'm sorry. I just made it wrongly. So this is the opening as a red candle, and it comes here, and this is the closing of this candle, right?
Yes.
This is so normally it's a candle, but we see most of the time we have this with the candle, which we called a shadow or a wick, isn't it?
Yes. Yes.
So if we do the same process for this, then what happened actually? The candle started on here, it goes up, it comes down, it goes here and then close here, isn't it?
Okay.
So in here we says we have a open and we have a close.
Plus.
Okay, but in here we says we have a open and we have a close. Yes, we have it in with that in extra we have a high and we
High.
have a
Low.
low, right? We have a low. So
Yeah.
OHLC we call it. OHLC we call it, right? The same thing is going to happen with on what candle? If we draw something like that and we say what it is, what is this candle? Bullish or bearish?
Bullish.
Bullish candle. So also we have a weeks on it here, right?
Okay.
So it started from here, comes down, goes up, comes here, and then close here, isn't it?
Okay.
So this is the opening, this is the closing, and high and low remain same. Okay, high and low remain same on the each candle. Just open and close is just difference. Now let us get back to our previous topic where we says everything is a combination. Okay, so we says to that means in a very basic general knowledge, to fulfill a combination, you always need two things. You cannot say one thing will be a combination. Like, you understand it? You got my point?
So, no, sir. Once again, can you
Like,
repeat once again?
like when we say a combination, when we say a combination always
Yes.
need two different part. Like, and you know, if you think about as a human, we are a human, right? So if you're a
Yes.
man, how your combination will be fulfilled, with a man or with a woman?
With a movement.
With a woman, right?
Yes.
Because of the
Yeah.
two opposite always fulfill a combination. So for good,
Yeah.
so if you look at here, say let's say I have this as a green color and I have this another green color. Now this is one types of example. This is an example of like this. So now my question is, out of these two scenario, which one is the combination?
This one I use. The
Second one,
second
right?
one.
Second one. Why? Because of the two different color.
Yes.
Isn't it? So,
Yeah.
so remember, everything in the chart is a combination, and combination need two different thing. As I says, as a human, we need opposite to fulfill our combination, and the same
Yes,
for the
sir.
chart. Same for the chart, we need candle opposite to fulfill our chart combination. Got it?
Oh, got it.
Okay. So far, this is what we have covered as a combination. So far,
Yes.
second part is. So, as a human, as we say, is like you are a man, so to fulfill your combination, you need what? A woman.
Um.
And let's say you get married with that woman, and then what happened? The next generation produced,
Yes.
isn't it? That's a universal cycle of anything. So we have something for our chart also. Like we says, everything in the chart is a combination, and
Yes.
also now we says if everything is a combination, that means we need some outcome from that combination. We cannot leave the combination. Like, okay bro, you are a man, you need a woman, so you have your woman, your combination fulfill. That doesn't fulfill your what it is, necessity in the environment. You need to produce, reproduce, to to live long with the university. So when we have a different combination in the chart, so you says this is not a combination, but this is a combination, isn't it? So we need something to from that combination. So like if you have this color, so which is a red color, so what we are going to do, we are going to mark the high and mark the low. Okay, we mark the high and
Okay.
mark the low. To fulfill the combination, what you need, what color you need?
This is green candle, right?
This is a red candle,
So we need green candle,
green candle.
bullish candle.
Okay, so we have a bullish candle here. That means we are saying yes, the combination fulfilled. The combination is fulfilled here, but we did not have any outcome from the combination. You got my point?
Okay, okay, sir, I got it.
So what we need, so whenever this high is going to break out with that like this uh, body of this candle, then
Okay,
we says yes, we have a combination. At the same time, that combination gives us what? An engulfing buy.
okay.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
At the same time, At the same time, let us says this. So this is a one candle engulfing. Okay, this is one candle engulfing. So let us go to here. So now let's talk about again on here. Can I say it's a combination? Just a minute. Can we say it's a combination, right? But is
Yeah.
there any outcome yet?
No, there is no
When the
outcome.
outcome will come? Until unless the high will be break with the body,
Yeah.
isn't it? Now,
Yes, sir.
previous example we says the body break happen in one candle. In this example, it may not have the breakout with one candle. It may take few several candle, okay? Few several
Okay.
candle until unless the color remains same. That means the combination remaining same, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
Okay.
whenever the high got broken, we says we have also the engulfing. As of this one take more than one candle. Like if it says it's just one single breakout and it is not
Okay.
one single breakout. So whenever you have multiple break like multiple candle and then the breakout happen. So we call it a different name. As it's a single, so we call it a regular. As it's not a single candle breakout, we call it a irregular engulfing.
Irregular.
Got it, my friend.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what? So now we says what? We says uh, we have everything is a combination. This is what we say so far, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And then what we says when everything is a combination, we also says combination gives us an engulfing, isn't it?
Yes,
Combination
sir.
gives us an engulfing. So let us look at the real chart. Let us look at the real chart. Oh my God. Let me ask you something like here. Let us go to the weekly. So let me ask you a few questions, then we are going to in the chart. So what do you call it?
Combination.
Combination give us what?
Shifting.
Engulfing what?
Engulfing with this bullish candle, sir.
Bullish and bearish. So this is the engulfing cell, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
So as this cell happen with two candles, so what we are going to call it? Regular.
Uh, Sorry?
Regular engulfing,
Regular engulfing.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like look at here. What do you have on here?
It's not breakout not done.
Uh Look at here.
Yeah.
Tell
This
me.
is also combination.
And
Regular. Regular
regular.
comp.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you have here?
This is also a regular combination.
Okay. What do you have on here?
Regular combination, sir.
Okay. What do you have on here?
Regular combination.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So what do you have on here?
Irregular combination.
Ah, what do you have on here?
Regular combination.
Okay. Now, as you know, these are the combination that then the next phase or next topic comes what we are going to do with those combinations. Okay. Got it? So
Yes.
or what we are going to do with those engulfing. Okay. What are you going to do with those engulfing? So now if you look this is the very recent market we are having on here, not the recent market, sorry. So this is the market we are having on here. Okay, this is the market we are having on here. So my question to you now, if you look at here, just give me a minute. let us start from here. Okay,
Okay.
so what it is,
Irregular combination.
and that combination is name, what is what name? Engulfing.
Engulfing, yeah.
Buy or sell?
Buy.
Buy. Now,
Yeah.
as it is a buy engulfing, we expect the market should come here and then buy. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So look what happened. The market came back. Okay. The market came
Okay.
back and buy. Okay. And buy.
Okay.
Clear. Now,
Yes.
now look. So we have again. Look at this. According to your knowledge, what we have on here. What we have on here.
Irregular combination, selling, engulfing, right?
Okay, fine. So according to the same expectation, what we expect, the market should go back there and then drop,
It will be, yeah, exactly.
isn't it?
Exactly. Yeah.
So what we see next, the market is goes there. Look at this with that week, and then drop. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
Yeah.
if you look at here, we also have something on here. What it is?
Irregular selling.
Okay. So what is the expectation of market?
It will pull back. It will go back.
And then drop, isn't it?
Yeah.
So and then what we see? Just a minute. Why it's stuck? Just a minute. uh, just give me a minute, right? It's okay. Somehow the net is a little bit slow, I believe.
Okay.
Okay, so look what happened. Look what happened. Look what happened. Look what happened. You see it,
Yeah.
and then
Tap.
and then drop. Okay, and then drop.
Yeah.
You got it, my friend. You got it.
Yes, sir, yes.
Now, again, if you look at here also, like if you look at here also, so what you have in here?
Irregular selling.
Uh-huh.
Selling engulfing.
Expectation is the same, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what you see? You see it?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So now, in between, if you look at here, we have a here another one, isn't it? We have another one in here, but I'm going to talk about this one also. Okay. So what we have on here?
Same irregular selling side.
Okay. So what
Engulfing.
is the expectation? Look, the market should goes there and then drop. Okay. The
Yeah.
market should goes there and then drop. Now, the fun part. The fun part is when the like something like this happen, when the it not respecting, okay, it not respecting,
Mhm.
it should come down like this, it should come down like this. If it is not
Yes.
happen like this, eventually goes like this, then we call this engulfing as a fail engulfing, as a fail engulfing.
Okay.
So now the
Okay.
expectation is if it come back here, then we are going to buy.
Okay.
Okay, so now look what
Yeah.
happened. It failed, right? It did not drop, it failed, and eventually look what happened. See it, came back
Yeah.
and then move up. Okay, and then move up.
Okay.
But the thing is, when it's started to moving up, then sometime it will not respect, but we have also the formula how if it is not respecting, then how should we work on it? What we have on here? What we have on here?
Selling and engulfing.
Okay, is it a sell or buy?
From here,
It is a sell.
from that till it will be.
It's a sell, isn't it?
Yeah.
So the rules is remain same. It market goes back there and it started to selling. Okay,
Okay.
and it started to
Okay.
selling. Now look, brother, we have this as an energy buy again. Okay, energy buy again. So if the market come here, then it would buy to till where? This is the sell. So market continuous move from one buy to another sell, one buy to another sell. Okay, now you may ask, so let's say we have a buy and sell on here, we have a buy on here, we have a
Okay.
like this. So the market should go from here, come there. Okay, but you now say if it is do something like that, then the market will continue, will be like sideways, isn't it?
Yes.
But the thing is, that's why we have something called failed. If it not respect here, then it goes there, not going up, it coming down. You understand?
Okay.
So this
Yeah.
is how market operate. And instead of the sideways market, we see what? We see either coming down as like wave. So now when it coming as a wave, you mean you have a sell on here, market did not respect it, then what happened? This is the retracement happened on that failed area, then goes up,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Yes.
So this is how the market works. So far, whatever I have says, any question, any confusion?
Nothing. All good.
You good? Okay.
Yeah.
So now, because and then we are going to start at some complexity. Some complexity. I want you to give you some homework because I do not want to go furthermore. Okay?
Okay.
Because